Peterbald. The Peterbald is a rare breed originating from Russia, recognized for its hairlessness and distinct look. These elegant cats are cherished for their affectionate and loving nature. Price: $5,000. Number 4. Sphinx. The Sphinx is a well-known hairless breed with wrinkled skin and a unique, almost alien-like appearance. They are favored by cat enthusiasts for their friendly and inquisitive personalities. Price: $10,000. Number 3. Bengal. The Bengal is a strikingly exotic breed famous for its leopard-like spotted coat. Known for their high energy, intelligence, and playful demeanor, Bengals are highly desirable pets. Price: $15,000. Number 2. Savannah. The Savannah cat, a hybrid between a domestic cat and a serval, stands out for its impressive size and wild exotic appearance. Its rarity and beauty make it one of the priciest cats worldwide. Price: $25,000. Before revealing the number 1, remember to follow and like the video. Number 1. Ashera. The Ashera takes the top spot as the most expensive cat in the world. This extraordinarily rare hybrid is created in a laboratory by blending the DNA of a domestic cat, an African serval, and an Asian leopard cat. Owning one is an unparalleled luxury. Price: $125,000.